Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Fit Tile option is not working on Windows 11 and how to fix it in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to set your desktop background image to default. What you have to do is right click on an empty space on your desktop, then select the personalize option, and now in here just click on the background category. So now what you have to do in here, next to personalize your background, make sure to select picture and then choose a default image, for example the default image from Windows. Now just click on the choose a fit for your desktop image drop down menu and select the tile option. And if you see that there's no problem with the default image from Windows, then you might have a problem with your own image. So make sure to find out if there's something wrong with your image. It's either the resolution or the format is not proper, which means we can move on to the next solution. You can also change the format of the image as a solution to this problem. So for example, let's say you have an image that is problematic when you try to tile it on the desktop. So what you have to do is right click the image file, then open it with Paint. So now what you have to do in here is click on the File tab and then select Save As and make sure to select one of the other formats. For example, JPEG if you have a PNG image, or if you have a JPEG image, PNG. So just make sure to save it in a different format. And now you can just save it somewhere on your computer, preferably on your desktop, and then you can check if the problem still persists with the new format of the image. And lastly, another useful solution is to set the wallpaper in clean boot. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then simply type msconfig and select System Configuration from the search results. Now in here what you have to do first of all is go to the Services tab and then click on Hide All Microsoft Services, so check up this box and then select the Disable All button. Now what you have to do is navigate to the Startup tab and then click on Open Task Manager and disable all the unnecessary programs that start with your Windows when it opens up. So make sure to right click on them and select the Disable option. Now just close Task Manager. Afterwards, click on Apply and OK to save the changes and restart your computer. This will give you a clean boot and then you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.